Task Force Maintain opened their newly renovated Wounded Warrior Center on Bagram Airfield, Afghanistan.
We started with 18 beds in here, so first of all it was crowded. They were all lined up side by side. I was going to try to make it look like a hospital and put curtains just in between each one so there's a little privacy, do some bedding, and that was all I thought I'd be able to do.
Specialist Kevin Brown is a wounded warrior who recently returned to duty.
I was here before it was totally completed, but now that it's done, this place looks remarkable compared to what it used to be.
Lieutenant Colonel Nathan Swartz, commander of Task Force Maintain, gave the closing remarks at the grand opening ceremony.
It's an honor for Sergeant Major and I to be here this morning representing the battalion command teams. This Wounded Warrior Beachhut is another example of how Task Force Vanguard takes care of its soldiers.
For 4th Infantry Brigade Combat Team, 3rd Infantry Division Public Affairs, I'm Sergeant Bob Yarbrough.